morning, guys. It's 8 though. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs for One. What you could be up to, anything for questions, anything to say. Well, right now, you guys, I'm just handing 2 books, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey, guys. So right now, you guys, I'm meeting with Pentecostal pastor. So he is gonna meet me with coffee. The one that was gonna help us move, but then his family went up when we moved. So and we said that's fine. Like, we have the extra help. So yeah, he's just gonna get coffee with me today. So I'm meeting with a pastor. So that's what's going on, you guys. Hey guys, we are having rice, fish, and we having chocolate. Guys, so right now, guys, we are working on them, so it's easier. So that's what's going on. So we are just making a list of how many what games we have, and then we're gonna make a list of things like that, so I know what kind of games we want on the things. So I'm making a list. That's what's going on, you guys. I'm making a list of games that we have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Good night.